Release violations land convicted rapist Arlin Jordin has been accused of drugging another woman's drink. The Spokane landlord is out of prison pending his appeal. The Spokane landlord, as this morning, a judge placed him under a house arrest for allegedly violating the conditions of his release. And KXLY4's Erik Loney is covering this story for us. He joins us now. Erik, he is facing more charges now.
Well, actually, he's not been charged with any new crimes at this point. Prosecutors want him thrown in jail because he's accused of having Jack Daniels in his apartment, which violates the conditions of his release. Now, police are still investigating new allegations that he may have drugged a woman who came looking for an apartment.
Arlin Jordin left a Spokane County courtroom this morning denying the new allegations against him.
Just not true.
He remains out of jail despite arguments minutes earlier by Spokane County prosecutors.
The safest place for Mr. Jordin to be, it's only till Tuesday, is in the county jail.
Jordin was convicted in 2004 of raping one woman after allegedly drugging her drink. He faced similar accusations from dozens of other women. Jordin has been out of jail the past 14 months while appealing the verdict and now faces new drugging allegations. A police report says a 22-year-old Spokane woman met with Jordin last month looking for an apartment in this building on West 9th. Jordin reportedly gave her 2 cups of coffee and offered her a whiskey. After drinking the coffee, she said she felt dizzy, woozy, and lightheaded. When she tried to leave, the woman said Jordin grabbed her, gave her a hug, and kissed her on the cheek and said, "It's really nice to meet you." She called police the next day and gave a urine sample for a drug test.
Mr. Jordin has been convicted of a crime and should be in custody for that crime.
Prosecutors did not address the alleged drugging in court today, but asked the judge to throw Jordin in prison for having alcohol in his apartment, a violation of his release conditions. Jordin's attorneys argued Jordin did nothing wrong.
Within hours after this allegation coming up, the Department of Corrections searched Mr. Jordin's home and no alcohol was found.
Now, Jordin's attorney said he wasn't ready to argue this issue today, and a judge placed Jordin under house arrest at his parents' home until a hearing on Tuesday. Today, we also learned that Jordin, even though he's been out of jail the past 14 months, he's still getting credit for time served because he's wearing a monitoring unit on his ankle. Now, tonight at 6, hear from the woman who Jordin was convicted of raping and her reaction to today's news. Reporting live in the newsroom, Erik, KXLY4.